We're here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's Friday afternoon. The sun is starting to shine, and join with me is Rummy Pandit. Now, Rummy is the director of the Llyod D Levinson Institute for Gaming, Hospitality, and Tourism at Stockton University. And he's actually with me. We actually just shot a video before talking about what's going to be in the Sunday newspaper, isolating out weather when it comes to an Atlantic City to Vegas tourism. Now, today here, Rummy, we have some sunshine, a little bit of cold weather. Not the worst day to be out, correct?
It's beautiful with the sun coming out.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
What's coming around the corner on the weekend, I'm not sure.
Look at it. See, he's good. He's already doing my job. He's teasing it for the end here. Let's just talk real quick about our story on Sunday. We spoke a lot about isolating weather from Atlantic City to Las Vegas tourism. And, you know, I guess the crux of the story is it plays some influence, but, you know, there are other factors at play. And really one of the things we want to talk about is, you were saying before, the shoulder seasons are really important to us here, correct?
Shoulder season is very important to us because it's somewhat insulated from the weather, and you can use that season for being outdoors and indoors.
Right.
So it gives you the best of both.
Sure, sure. Now, next week, we're talking about some rain and then a little bit of wintry weather too. Maybe not the best, right?
Not the best at all.
Not the best.
Not looking forward to that one.
Right, not looking forward to that one. But still, I would say go out and enjoy this afternoon while you have it with the sunshine. But you will need to bundle up. We have temperatures that will be sliding through the 40s, wind gusts around 30 miles an hour. Start to feel like the 30s out there. But again, plenty of sunshine here after the cold front passes. We go into tonight. We're gonna have wind chills in the teens. So yes, it will be a cold night. If you are out in Atlantic City, if you are walking out, you need the heavy jacket. You don't want to spend too much time outdoors. Low temperatures will be in the mid-20s. We do have a clear sky. As we go into Saturday, we do have windy weather again for the morning, along with plenty of sunshine. But then high pressure starts to fill in over us, and as it does so, the winds eventually weaken. We'll have high temperatures on Saturday in the upper 30s, about 5 degrees below average. Saturday night is going to be our coldest night since about a week and a half when we had that side swipe of the polar vortex come through. Mid-teens for lows on the mainland. I bet you even some places like Woodbine, getting over into Egg Harbor City, or in the low teens. Shore right here in Atlantic City will be in the mid-20s. And then as we go into Sunday here, temperatures around 40 degrees, morning sunshine, couple afternoon clouds. That's the easy part. But we have to talk about not one, but two systems that come through for early next week. The first system, we're pretty confident on what we know so far. It's going to start around midnight, and it's going to be a snow, or at least mostly snow event with a little bit of sleet here. With that, it's going to be light in intensity, so it's a minor event, looking between a coating to 2 inches of snow and a little bit of sleet. It will make for a slippery Monday morning commute, but not a treacherous Monday morning commute. It does look to be of the lower end variety. Then as we go into Monday afternoon, cloudy sky here across the areas. High pressure fills in, so it will dry us out even though the clouds are around. That high pressure is actually going to lead to something called cold air damming. What that means is you have the high pressure in New England, blows northeasterly winds, and that cold air gets pulled up east of the Appalachian Mountains where we are. That sets the stage for storm number 2, which is a bigger storm. Looks to start as snow and then change to rain. The question still needs to be figured out is how much snow before that change over to rain. I will say for us here in southeast New Jersey, the way things go, looks to be at least 50% rain for us, but will be a bigger storm. We'll also talk about the potential for coastal flooding on Tuesday during the high tides here, and then we dry out as we go into the end of the week. So we're gonna have updates for you all weekend long on both systems here. PressOfAC.com/weather. You can follow us on Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, and Facebook again is JoeMartWX. So if you're here at the Atlantic City Boardwalk, have a great weekend, everybody. Make sure to bundle up again, and then we'll be back with you over the weekend.